Have you ever thought about making money online? If yes, then perhaps it was through running a website or an online store, right? But what if we tell you that you can make money online just by clicking ads on web pages? Would you believe that? That would indeed be a viable method of making money. But the question is it legit? Believe us, it is. There's a site that's looking for traffic desperately, so desperately in fact that they are willing to pay a hefty amount of money for it. This site will pay you $30 just for clicking on ads. And the best thing about it is that there's no limit. With this site, you will be able to make money passively by just clicking ads either on your mobile or your computer. You can click as many ads and make as much money as you want. Plus, it's entirely free to begin. There are no major requirements for you to join this site. The only thing you will be asked for is your email ID and details of your payment method, meaning almost everyone can apply for this. So, are you interested in knowing more about it? Yes? Okay, then stick around as we take a deep dive into this website and show you how you can make money with it. Let's get rolling. Now, before we begin, it's recommended that you not skip any part of this video, or otherwise you might miss something very important. So be sure to watch this video until the end. The name of the site that will pay you $30 for clicking on ads is aticlicks.net. It's a site that offers advertisers to advertise their products and administrations, and offers individuals to bring in money by reviewing their promotions. More importantly though, the members of ATI Clicks can earn real cash from viewing advertisers' websites in real time. The platform provides its users with many earning opportunities. Apart from watching ads, users can earn money by completing offers and doing simple tasks such as surveys, playing games, referring others, and more. Either way, the main selling point here is of course clicking on ads. Doing so will guarantee you a passive stream of income. We'll tell you how you can get started on this site. But before that, it's a must for you to have a PayPal account in place. Setting yourself up with a PayPal account is fairly straightforward. However, there's additional information required aside from entering your name and email address. You need to know about a couple of steps and necessities, such as setting up your record with PayPal. In the first place, you'll have to give your data, for example, your complete name, address, telephone number, and email. You'll likewise have to associate your record to your debit card, credit card, or bank account. Now and again, PayPal may likewise request you to provide proof of ID. To set up your PayPal account, visit PayPal's site and click the Sign Up button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then pick the record type you need, personal account or business account. Select Next when done. You'll be asked to include your phone number. From that point forward, you'll finish up the structure that incorporates your name, email address, and secret phrase or password. Select Continue, and afterward finish up the subsequent structure by choosing your identity and composing in your location and some other required information. PayPal will create your record the moment you hit Continue. However, you're a long way from done at this time. ATI Clicks also offers other payment methods, but we recommend using PayPal. So head on over to paypal.com by following the link in the description and set up your account. Once your account is set up, you're good to go. The next step for you is to head to ATI Clicks' website, a link to which is given down in the description. Here, you will see a lot of earning opportunities and the site's stats. You will also notice everything is neat and well put together on this site. ATI Clicks is very transparent about the payments made on its website. As you scroll down, you will see all the payments made that day and the day before, and from what locations. You will also see all the methods that you can withdraw your money in, and there are so many of them ranging from PayPal, Payeer, Perfect Money, AirTM, and more. Make sure to comment down below your country's name and what payment methods are used there. Either way, payment methods have you covered no matter where you are based. Now, let's discuss the registration process. To register, click on the Join Now button and you'll be taken to the registration page. Here you'll be asked to fill in your name, your username, your email, password, etc. You will also be asked to accept their terms and services there. Once you have filled out all these subtleties and completed the CAPTCHA, click on the registration button and boom, your account has been created. As you log into your account, the first thing you will see is the leaderboard, which is going to show you who the top earner is. Here you will see different members of ATI Clicks, how much money they have made, and which country they belong to. As you might notice, all the top earners on ATI Clicks have made hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by just clicking on the ads. Now, let's get to the real topic at hand. How will you be able to make money? To get started, log into your account and head to the dashboard. Here you will see all the ads you can click on and make money. The most popular of them are banner ads. As you click on the ads, they will take you to some random website where you have to stay for 30 seconds or more to make some money out of it. And again, you do this on your mobile phone or computer. Now, what we mean by staying there for 30 seconds is not just staying still. You will have to scroll through the entire page for say 2 times, or otherwise your payment request might not get approved. If you stay still and do not move or scroll through the page, you might get caught as a bot and you may end up losing your contact. This is a mistake many make, so please consider moving through the page and do not stay still. Once you've finished one ad, you can just click on another and make more money. There are so many ad banners on this site and you can click as many as you want. Now, the second way to make money on this site is by clicking on daily fixed ads. Just like banner ads, click on them and you will be taken to some random website. Stay there for 30 seconds, scroll through the site, and boom, you've made money. By just clicking on 5 daily fix ads, you will be able to earn a lot of money. How? Here's how. Clicking on 5 daily fix ads will unlock the standard ads, which pay up to 10 times that of other ads. Now, how awesome is that? Next, you can also make money by participating in various high-paying surveys, participating in contests, and completing offers. This, although won't pay you as much as clicking on ads, but is still pretty bearable nonetheless. Moving on, there's one more way you can make money. ATI Clicks provides an excellent referral to its users that can be used to multiply your earnings. Remember we showed you the top earners of ATI Clicks on the leaderboard? Well, this is how they were making hundreds of dollars. You can do this as well by simply inviting others to ATI Clicks. This will make things much better. On one side, you will be able to make money by clicking on ads, and the other by earning commissions on other people's earnings. If you want to maximize your earnings, do make sure to apply for the referral program as well. And when you're ready, you can withdraw your money from here to your chosen payment method. So that's pretty much it for this one. In conclusion, we believe that ATI Clicks provides a great opportunity to earn passive income by just surfing the internet and clicking on ads. With it, you will be able to make hundreds of dollars every day by just clicking on ads and taking part in surveys. If you're looking to build a passive and consistent side income, then you should consider joining ATI Clicks now by following the link in the description below. And for more awesome videos like this, stay tuned.